How to manage people who can stream to your channel on Twitch PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple to go to Twitch. This is the homepage as you can see. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile, go down here and go to settings right here as you can see. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go here, click on channel and videos, and now go here, click on stream. After you click on stream, now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go here and scroll down like this until you find this permissions option and click on people who can stream to your channel. And here you go. Now here you can see people who can stream to your channel, or you can invite people. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.